So I'm Michael Boggia, and I'm the head of US sales for LoopUp, and we're at Enterprise Connect talking about our Microsoft Teams calling products. So as you can see here, we offer full compliant cloud PSTN replacement in more countries than any other vendor. So what we're essentially doing is allowing businesses to get more out of Teams. You have Microsoft Teams for all of your internal communication and collaboration. So IM, channelized chat, document sharing. And a lot of senior IT leaders who have made that big investment are now asking, well, what else can it do? How can we broaden the scope of Teams? How can we get the most out of that investment? And that's where we come in. The crosshairs have fallen on telephony. Why do all of that internal communication in one platform and then jump to a legacy PBX for another? At LoopUp, we're bringing those PBX capabilities into Teams fully natively, and we're doing it as a managed service in more countries than anyone else. So for more information, you can visit loopup.com. Thank you.